I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to check for specific game updates on your Nintendo Switch 2. Step 1. Navigate to your Switch 2 home screen and then scroll to the game you want to see if an update is available for. Step 2. Click the plus button on your right Joy-Con. A menu for that game opens. Step 3. Click to select Software Update on the left side of this menu and then click Via the Internet on the right side of this menu. If your game software is up to date, you'll see this message. Alternatively, if an update is available, it will start downloading immediately and you can monitor and track the update progress on the home screen. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.